David Shaw here with another off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., come visit my site, offtherecordtours.com. Let's go.
Russian aggression against Ukraine is nothing new. In 1932 and 33, millions of Ukrainians starved to death in a man-made famine called the Holodomor. Joseph Stalin, the Soviet Union's dictator, wanted to turn his country into an industrialized, Russian-led communist world power. To do that, he collectivizes family farms, meaning farmers no longer work for themselves, but had to give their crop to the government for redistribution throughout the entire country. This led to widespread starvation. Some believe the famine was deliberate to crush any Ukrainian aspiration of independence from the Soviet Union.
Here in Washington, at the corner of North Capitol Street and Massachusetts Avenue, near the Capitol, those who perished in the Holodomor are remembered. Ukraine is often called the breadbasket of Europe, so it makes sense that this memorial's focal point is wheat. At this end, the wheat starts off full and plentiful, but as you move down the wall, it slowly starts to disappear, representing how Ukraine's abundant harvest is destroyed under Soviet rule. From the Soviet Union's starving of the Ukrainians in the 1930s to Russia's unprovoked war of today, the historic parallels are clear. And today, this memorial serves as a focal point for those supporting Ukraine, which again faces the horror of Russian aggression. Well, I hope you enjoyed that off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., things seen and unseen, arrange your tour of your nation's capital at offtherecordtours.com. Until then, I'm David Shaw.